Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will be learning about filtering, what is filtering and what are the types of filtering, that is text based filtering and number based filtering. So let's get started. So what is filtering? So filtering can be used to exclude or include any data uh, from the cells. So suppose for example, let's take this data as an example. Suppose if I want to include any state or exclude any state, then I can do it using filtering option. So where can you find the filtering option in Excel? So in the home tab in this ribbon there is a funnel icon which is called filtering option. So there you can find the filtering option. So here is the filtering option. So the shortcut key for filtering is Control plus Shift plus L. So the shortcut key for using filtering is Control plus Shift plus L. So let's use the shortcut now. Control Shift L. If you if you see here, I have applied the filter now, and there is a small drop down radio buttons in every cell. So now let's look at text based filtering as our first example. So if you see here, I have a list of states, Indian states. If I want to exclude any state from this column, so how can I do with help of filtering? So let's see that now. So if I click on this drop down, I will have this all the options. Right now, all these states are in the selected, all these states are enabled. Suppose if I deselect all this and only select this Andaman and Nicobar, so Excel will give me only those only Andaman and Nicobar Islands data and exclude remaining other states. So that is one way of filtering in Excel. Also, you can search in the search bar. Suppose if I want to select only one state, uh, so can select type it here and select this state, and only Excel will display the data that belongs to Telangana state. So that is how you can do the text based filtering with select all options. Apart from that, there is another way of another way of filtering data, which is called it is by using this text filter drop down options. Now suppose if you want to clear this filtering, so there are two ways to clear this filtering. Now I have applied a filtering option here. If I want to clear it, either I can use Control Z as an option, or else even uh, I can use this. I can go back to this drop down and click on clear filter, and it will reset the filter option. So and let's look at this text filter options now. Equals. So the state which equals. So um, I'm typing one state here. Now so I have used that equal option which has given me the state that is equal to the Telangana. So that's how you can use the filter option equals. Does not equal Kerala, excludes the Kerala state from here. So if I clear this filter and if I want to exclude Kerala from this column, then I can use does not equal Kerala. So then Excel will exclude all the Kerala states data here from here. Now and clear this from this filtering. And now if I check with begins with, so the state that begins with option alphabet R. So So Excel will give me the states that begins with R. So Rajasthan begins with R. So now let's see another option. Suppose now let's say with M. So the states that begins with M. So Maharashtra is one state and Madhya Pradesh is one state. Those are beginning with alphabet M. And now let's look at states that ends with a particular letter. So let's take A as our letter, and now you can see all the states that are ending with letter A are being displayed here. So that way you can use this filtering options, and let's see the contains options. So contains Pradesh. So the states which contain the word Pradesh should be filtered, and just see how Excel has filtered the states that contain Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh have all been filtered now. Now let's see another option does not contain. So let's again, this is exactly the opposite of contain. So uh, let's type Pradesh, and Excel will exclude all the states that are containing doesn't contain Pradesh. So that's how you can use the text-based filtering options. Now let's look at the number-based filtering options, which is our second topic. So it is similar to the text-based option. So let's go here, and you can select any age group numbers, and Excel will display only that data which you have selected here. So apart from that, you can also use this number clear filter, and you can use this number filtering options. So the numbers which are equals to the age groups which are equals to will display you the exact number data which are having the age group between 50. In the same way, uh, clear the filter and apply does not equal, which is quite opposite to 50. Does not equal 50. So Excel will exclude the age 50 and it will display the remaining other data. In the same way, you can use greater than option, greater than 60, suppose. So Excel will display the age brackets that are greater than 60. Now now here in the greater than option, 60 isn't included, but here greater than or equal to 60 will be included. Greater than or equal to 60 also will be included here. So that way you need to select the filtering options, number filtering, and the numbers that are less than 30. So whatever the age brackets that are less than 30 will be displayed here. And in the same way, less than or equal to, which is opposite to this, which is equal, which is less than or equal to 30. So here you can see 30 is also being included. The same way between the age brackets between 30 to 35. I want to see the age groups between 30 to 35. Here you can see Excel has filtered the age groups 30 to 35. In the same way, the Excel will display the top 10 age groups. Whatever the let me reset this. So whatever the age groups that are top, it will display those data. So if I type and see whatever the top age groups, age brackets are there, those are being displayed in the option. So in the same way, above average. So in this above average, so whatever the average number we get from this data, so that data will be displayed using this above average option. And below average is also like the total number of average, which is based on these age brackets that are below. The number will be displayed using the below average option. So Excel will take the average of all this data and it will display the above and below averages. So this is all about number and text-based filtering in Excel. I hope you have understood this filtering options and how we can use this filter options in Excel. Thanks for watching.